Hello everyone. Today I'm using my own Western style version of Gima using simple ingredient and a lot of flavor. Let's start. Today we are making a Gima, but this dish actually is inspired by Gima itself. It's my own version of Sudanese dish called Gima and a Western more. Our natural Sudanese gima is always dry or almost always dry. And what I'm making today is more like my own version of twist to this recipe. I will call it my own version of twist to this recipe because I created my own sauce and that's what I use, and you will be seeing it later on in the video. That's why when you see it, there's a container with that red liquid is just a sauce I use. And if you wanted that sauce, actually ingredient, you can find them in the description box. You can go there and see. And today we are making pasta, but this pasta is very very special, guys, because it's contain corn flour and wheat flour actually. That's mixed, and that what make it more amazing. And it's gonna be more creamy and more flavorful and more amazing, guys, because we are making it in a two different way. We're making it more like Western, and we are making my own twist to the recipe itself, and that what gonna make it more special. That's the meat we are using, and that's the sauce I just show you first. That was the sauce that I created myself. I created by using olive oil and red bell pepper, tomatoes, and garlic and yellow bell pepper. Then I blend them nicely. I roast them first in the air fryer, and then I blend them, and I use some for jollof rice actually, and I left some for something like now I'm doing. So what do you need? You need one large onion and just two tomatoes. It's optional. You have that sauce, but if you don't, you can use that. And you're gonna be using a small tomato paste later. What you're gonna be using a tablespoon or half tablespoon. That is the pasta I'm using, and it's quick. It's so quick to cook. And when your onion is golden brown, remove your meat and put it inside, especially this ground beef. It's perfect. And this one I love it because it's so good and it's not that too much, especially you are doing only for one serve for the family, like sick members or just like that. This dish is good for the kid and good too for you, maybe like during the weekend and you just want to lie down and just rest. This dish is special and amazing. And I did make a version one in Dinka one, or maybe in South Sudanese version of Gima. We have the Gima inside this channel. Actually, you go and search there, you will find it there. But this is just a version, and I come up with my own recipe to create this one, and I add a bit of twist to it, and it's inspired by Gima itself. That's why you see later on it's more like Gima. I come up with this recipe, but it's inspired by Gima itself, and it's more like a Western dish because it's gonna be more creamy and more juicy. If you like, you can use buttermilk or maybe cream. I will recommend you can use a cream. Will come out so perfectly and nice. You don't have to use sauce. You have that, but if you don't, you can just use the sauce you created or sauce you just bought in the market. It's gonna be working perfectly. Because why I put this one, I wanted a bit more aciding, a little bit, not too much. And when your pasta is done cooking, make sure to just remove it in the stove, and then drain it with cold water so it stop cooking right away, and it should be just fine like this. And guys, I just want to let you guys know something, why I haven't been forcing for a month now, and why. Like, if you've been watching my video actually for past 2 months now, you should know in the video I was pregnant, but unfortunately I lost the pregnancy about 3 weeks ago, and that's why I hadn't been posting anything in the channel. That's why I stopped, because the joy just left, and fun to do anything just left, and I was still recovering, and I was still mentally recovering and physically and emotionally too. So that's why now I'm back to be doing this, but it's a lot, but I just have to do it because I love cooking. It's give me the peace of mind. When I couldn't cook, I wasn't feeling good that way. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And this dish is good, especially the family gathering together and you guys having fun. That should be really good. And for ladies who go through something like I did, I do feel you guys. And I hope you guys can get better. It's not easy actually to like lose a child or maybe just lost your pregnancy. It's painful as well as mentally not good and everything. But who are we? I just share something very deep, but I know you guys are my family, and I know you guys want the best for me, and I want the best for you. Thank you for being a part of this channel. You are watching for the first time. You are welcome. You have been a while here in the channel. You already know you are the family, and you are the MVP of this. You're welcome. You guys like more tutorial, like more like specific tutorial for anything, just join my membership. And when I see like 2 to 3 people join, I will start doing that. I will share you guys some recipe that you can only make within 2 minutes to 3 minutes and 1 hour to 30 minutes, or maybe more like a traditional style food you don't know. I can share with you there in the comment section. Maybe share some recipe that you can be able to do without anything. When you're done doing everything and you add the meat, you add the spices and the sauce, and it's cooked ready, just add your sauce in it, and it's ready. Just come ahead and add your pasta and mix it really well. You can leave it to cook for like 2 minutes, but you can choose not to. And for me, I add this tomato paste, about half a tablespoon, to mix it to give it the color, because I see like it's a plain color, because we all know tomatoes and red bell pepper, they have that reddish colors. But if you want a darker color, you have to add tomato paste to give it that rich color. Yeah, but if you don't like that much, because sometimes it can be more like sour or something. But for me, I like this one. And this guy is so creamy and delicious, so amazing. We really enjoyed a lot. And on top of that, it was so easy making it. So easy. Came out so perfectly. Like how I visioned it in my head before cooking this one. I think about how do I cook it? Because I don't want the dry part of our own culture. Because my culture, we made it more dry. Because, yeah, it can be like soft, but it's later on it's become dry and you have to just eat it with something you sure it is like very hard. But this one is more soft and it's amazing. If you consider what dinner to make tonight, just make this one. You're gonna love it, and I'm telling you, you love it. Just let me know. Did you try it, and will you try it, and will you call this one in your language? And if you love it, just share it with me and let me know how it went. And just comment there to support the channel, and subscribe if you haven't. Like, share your thought. Let me hear you in the comment section. See you in this video coming up here.